lahat? Ayan!
May request po yung mga nandito sa ating teachers. Pag pinasa po ng ating SDO officials, school principals, sasaluhin po ng Saprissa dito sa ating left side. Ipapasa po dito sa Saprissa District 251. At syempre po, yung nandito sa ating SDO officials and officiating officials.
Ayan ang tanong! Are you ready? Okay! Let's play! History 1! 2! Saprissa! And Horse Better! Pasok mo natin sa Saprissa! District 2! District 1! Ayan! Isa pa! Nakakita natin sa kanila yan.
Natin dito sa ating LDO
Sige, later. Opo, mamaya po.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, leaders, coaches, and our unstoppable athletes from District 1, District 2, and Saprissa. Welcome to the most awaited event, the Division League 2025. Yes, this is the day where passion meets perseverance, where strength meets sportsmanship, and where every athlete proves that hard work truly pays off.
And before we officially start, let's set the tone of today's event with a reminder for everyone. Kindly prepare your yells later on for the opening. Let's hear those voices echo the spirit of your teams later on.
Of course, bago tayo magsimula, may we request everyone to please tone down your voice para po magkarinigan tayo ng mga. Okay po ba yun? Thank you so much. We want to feel your pride and power because today isn't just about competition. It's about celebrating unity and the love for sports.
So ngayon pa lang guys, mag-usap-usap na po ang mga coaches sa bawat team kung paano magiging yel at delivery mo later on.
Partner, excited ako na marinig ulit yung yell ng bawat team mamaya.
Yes, ako din kaya nga, galingan po yung lahat. Kahit sa yel, dapat laban na laban.
Of course, alam ko hindi papakabot ang bawat team partner. For sure, bago pa yung dumating dito katulad ng na-witness natin kanina, marami ng bawang yell ang bawat isa. May we hear a loud yes from our audience?
Okay, and to kick things off with a burst of inspiration, let's hear a powerful reminder from the first Philippine Olympic gold medalist, the weightlifting champion Ms. Irene Diaz. Do your best, but enjoy the moment. Take pride that you're representing the country.
And in our case, you're representing your schools, your teams, and most importantly, our division.
So when we say San Juan, you say shine. Again, San Juan. One more. San Juan.
Number San Juan.
So athletes, are you ready to make the impossible possible? Okay.
And with that,
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the Philippine National Anthem to be led by Elijah D. Mactibag, SBO San Juan Choral member and a teacher from West Grammar Elementary School, to be followed by a prayer.
Balong madilim, perlas ng silangan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hilira, duyan ka ng mag-ibig. see between the lines all the secret friend. So blessed, my Lord, I can see you. Even when I'm lonely and I see you in the beauty of the stars at night. I see you in my heart. I feel alright. I see you, Lord, in sorrow and in happiness. I see you in the glory of sweet success. I see you, Lord, every hour, every day. I can see you, Lord, wherever I pray. I'm so blessed, my Lord, I can see you in the smile of a baby, sweet and true. I see you in the eyes of my very best friend. I see you in these bonds, just like a love that never ends. I see you, Lord, in sorrow and in happiness. I see you in the glory of sweet success. I see you, Lord, every hour, every day. I can see you, Lord, whenever I pray. I see you, Lord, in sorrow and in happiness. I see you in the glory of sweet success. I see you, Lord, every hour, every day. I can see you, Lord, whenever I pray. I can see you, Lord, whenever I I see you, Lord. Thank you, ma'am. Everyone, you may now be seated. To formally welcome us to this remarkable celebration of athletic excellence and teamwork, we call on a leader who continues to guide our division with passion and purpose.
Let's give a warm round of applause to Dr. Dominic P. Rivera, Chief Education Supervisor, Officer in Charge, Office of the Assistant Schools Division Superintendent. Let's give him a round of applause.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. On behalf of the Schools Division of San Juan City, I warmly welcome our Vice Mayor, Honorable Angela Ocowili, representing our beloved Mayor, Honorable Francis Zamora, together with our Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Angelita Cornelo, our SDO officials and personnel, our dedicated school heads, some police officials, tournament managers, coaches, parents, other guests, and of course, our student athletes. Today, we come together not to compete, but to celebrate sportsmanship, unity, and the spirit of excellence that defines San Juan City. May this year's Palarong Pandivision be a showcase of talent, teamwork, and friendship, where every game becomes a lesson and every effort a victory in itself. Once again, welcome everyone and thank you for being part of this activity.
Thank you, Dr. Rivera, for those warm words of welcome. And now, let's turn our spotlight to the lifeblood of these sports leagues, our amazing delegations. To formally acknowledge, let's welcome Dr. Noli A. Delardo, Education Program Supervisor, SGOT, and Division Sports Officer. Let's give her a round of applause.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. In behalf of the Division of Management, Dr. Adelita P. Corneo, Officer in Charge, Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Dominic P. Rivera, Officer in Charge, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, and Dr. Rosalino Pogoy Jr., and SAPRISA officials led by Dr. Ingrid Yap, and the local government official of the City of San Juan led by Vice Mayor Angelo A. Argudi. We proudly acknowledge the presence of all delegations in the Palarong Payunisyon. And let us hear delegations make some noise. The delegation from District 1, elementary and secondary level. Yes, go District 1, Laban. How about some noise from District 2 delegations, elementary and secondary? Ayan, ang boses ng District 2. How about the delegations from SAPRISA, elementary and secondary level? Yes, go SAPRISA. Your enthusiasm, sparkmanship, and unity exemplify the spirit of friendly competition and the essence of the Division Meet 2025. Muli, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat.
Wow, that's the energy. Talagang ready na ang bawat delegation partner. Now, let's keep the energy with high and sizzling performance.
Get ready to move at the San Juan National High School Dance Troupe under the guidance of Miss Alona Novoy and Miss Evangeline R. Roque. Brings us an electrifying number.
to further inspire us as we begin this journey of sportsmanship and excellence, we now call on a dynamic leader and advocate of holistic education.
Please welcome Dr. Angelita P. Cornejo, Chief Education Supervisor, Officer in Charge, Office of the Schools Division Superintendent. Let's give her a warm round of applause.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Wala na, hindi na, pagod na. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Yan. Meron pa. Ang sarap sumayaw kasama nila. Wala ako sa aking sarili kanina. Napapatayo na ako. Salamat sa SPA learners natin. And of course to our ever-supported Vice Mayor, Attorney Alcawili, Angelo, AAA Alcawili. Mayor, ma-share ko lang, no, jubilation lang ng konti. Alam niyo po kayo po yung una-una ko natandaan. NGO occasion. Siyempre maliban kay Mayor Francis Zamora. Alam niyo po kung bakit. Dahil po mahilig ako sa AAA battle. No joke po yan, ha. Baka sabihin niyo po lang si Mayor, hindi po. Kasi po nung kabataan ko, mahilig po ako sa mga remote control na mga laruan. At lagi po yung AAA. Ang tawag na po sa akin ng parents ko ay AAA. So sabi ko, ay may totoo pala talaga ang nakakuha ng AAA. Si Vice Mayor yun. No? And continue po to our, as mentioned by our katuwang sa tagapagmalihagan na ating assist. Ay, teka muna kaingay. Parang kaingay. Kaingay sa classroom. Yan. Kasi teacher din po ako dati. Medyo ayaw ko talaga magsalita pag maingay. Yan. So mamaya tayo mag-make ng noise ko pag may games na tayo. O, teka muna, wala pa. Sandali lang. Sandali na lang to. Ayan. Just allow me to greet our passionate level officials, of course. Kanina, nakita nyo ang ating assistant social superintendent. And we have our education program supervisors, and then unit in section 7 with me, no, as level officials. And then, of course, we have the private school president, Dr. Ingrid Yap. Thank you po for joining us in this occasion. To our proud parents na nandyan sa kanina kasama natin. And at the side, we have our medal athletes last year, no? Thank you po for joining us again, and syempre hopeful po kami for you to bring home again so much medals for the San Juan, as pride of San Juan. And for the teachers and coaches for joining us, and we lead the game forward with our energetic and skilled, talented, and of course, unstoppable learners, athletes of Makabagong San Juan. Make some noise na nga po. Tama na. Mamaya naman ulit. Ayan. So, today, no, as we start the opening of the Depes San Juan City Palarong Pambansa, Palaro, na Division 2025. Excited ako. Gusto ko lang tayo makarating sa Palarong Pambansa. Please always remember that we celebrate not only all the games and the result of the games, but also we celebrate this day with your discipline, excellence, and your camaraderie. Hindi na po ito tungkol sa laro o sa palaro. Ito po ay tungkol sa puso natin lahat. Today, please share what our heart strives for, and of course, your spirit is expected not to surrender, and with the unity as we embodied as a community for Makabagong San Juan, yan po yung inaasahan natin lahat. Now, to our learners, athletes, tandaan po ninyo, sa bawat laban, hindi lang po yan tungkol sa panalo. Yan po ay nagpapagpagpag at nabibigyan ng oportunidad para nakakasip tayo lahat at maging magaling hindi lang sa larangan ng sports, kundi sa hamon ng buhay. Sa ating po mga teachers, coaches na narito, gusto ko pong matuto. Sa ating LGU officials po, of course, right now we have here our Vice Mayor. Salamat po sa solid at unwavering support that we're giving not only to the schools, but even to our learners alone. No? Kita nyo naman po, magkakapareho sila ng damit. At yan po ay sa pagpapadala ng suporta at pag-asa sa amin, ng mga taga-DepEd, na sa magmula po na pagtuloy ang suporta sa pamumuno ng ating ama, buting ama ng Luzon, na si Mayor Francis Zamora. Ito po yung kinakalabasan ng inyong mga suporta. Amin po mga suwag ngayon at ang pagpapasyon ko ay wala po sa inyo. Pagpapadala ng suporta at salamat po sa inyong lahat. And for that, as we move forward, let us always remember, no, we are gathering here for unity. We are gathering here to share our sportsmanships and how we love the sport. So with all that po, let us begin and let's start the day. And as we move forward, let's embody the principle of being a community of makabangon sa lahat. Salamat po sa ating lahat.
Thank you now for these powerful and inspiring words.
Indeed, sports build not just bodies, but character and confidence.
And now we're honored to hear an inspirational message from a leader whose support for education and sports continues to make a difference.
Let's all rise and welcome ang mahal na mahal, ang maaasahang tagapaglingkod ng makabagong San Juan. Palakpakan natin, Honorable Vice Mayor
Angelo A. Actowili.
Wow! Mabuhay ang mga kabataan sa Juan! Grabe ang energy dito! Nasaan ang mga taga District 1? Nasaan ang mga District 2? Para nasa na District 1! District 2! Grabe! Sa ating ibang sa lahat ng mga DepEd officials, sa lahat ng mga guro, coach, mga magulang, at sa lahat ng mga mag-aaral, mga student athletes na nandito ngayon, mga kapwa San Juanenyo, kapwa Pilipino, sa ngalan mo ng ating mahal na Mayor, Francis Zamora, binabati po kayo lahat ng isang magandang hapon. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta sa amin. Mga laking karangalan po ang maging bahagi ng okasyon na ito. Ang inyong Vice Mayor po, ang inyong pangalawang puno ng lungsod ay minsan din po naging atleta. Noon po ako high school at college. Ako po ay isang swimmer. Nag-swimming po ako sa UAAP para sa aming paaralan. At ako naman ay kumukuha ng Abunasya. Ako naman po ay kasama ng basketball at soccer team o football ng aming law school. So naman ko po ang inyong excitement at pride ngayong hapon na ito. So tayo ay magpapasalamat at congratulations po sa lahat ng mga DepEd officials, sa lahat ng coach, sa pag-organisa ng event na ito, sa inyong sakripisyo upang may bahagi ang inyong kaalaman sa ating mga student athletes. At sa ating mga mag-aaral, mga estudyante, pwede bang makinig kayo sa inyong Tito Vice Mayor? Nakikinig ba kayo lahat? Okay, dahil meron akong advice sa inyo. Una, sana, alam ko na lahat kayo ay atleta. Ngunit, sana, huwag niyo papabayaan ang inyong pag-aaral, okay? Mag-aaral kayo ng mabuti dahil ang susi sa magandang kinabukasan ay ang magandang edukasyon. At pagkaroon kayo ay student athletes, pangunahin sa lahat ay kayo ay mag-aaral. Kaya kayo ay mag-aaral na mabuti. Okay? Pangalawa, alam po natin na lahat tayo gusto manalo. Bawat laro gusto natin manalo. Ngunit para sa akin po, ang pinakamahalaga bilang isang atleta ay yung tayo ay may sportsmanship. Ano ibig sabihin ng sportsmanship? Ibig sabihin, we are humble in victory and magnanimous in defeat. Okay po? Pag tayo ay nanalo, hindi natin kailangan ipagyabang yun. Tayo ay maging humble pag tayo ay nanalo. At pag tayo ay naman ay hindi nagwagit o natalo, be magnanimous in defeat. Ibig sabihin ay palakpakan po natin ang nanalo at huwag po tayong mapipinod. Pag yan po mga katangyarihan, pag nag-aral tayo mabuti, pag tayo ay naging good sportsman, ibig sabihin, kaya natin tumanggap ng pagkatalo at kaya natin maging humble sa pagkapanalo ay tunay na magiging champion po tayo lahat. Okay po? At kayo naman lahat ay makakaasa. Ang buong Jetix San Juan, ang ating mga magulang, ang ating mga mag-aaral ay makakaasa na ang inyong kamahalang panlungsod sa pamumuno ng ating mahal na Mayor, Francis Zamora, ay palaging bibigyan ng prioridad ang edukasyon ninyo lahat. Palaging bibigyan ng prioridad ang ating mga paaralan. Sisigurituhin natin lahat kayo may sapat na uniform at mga pasilidad at equipment para makapag-aral kayo ng mabuti. At kayo ay makakaasa na ang inyong pamahalang panlungsod ay palaging magiging full support sa lahat ng programa at proyekto ng ating Jetix San Juan at ng mga kabataan natin dito sa San Juan. So muli, congratulations po sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay ang ating mga bagong San Juan at mabuhay po ang mga kabataan sa San Juan. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you po, Vice Mayor Attorney Angelo Agcawili.
Thank you, Vice Mayor. Siyempre, hindi po natin makakaligtaan ang delegation po ng
Kapisa. Yes! Now it's time for another burst of energy because sports, rhythm go hand in hand.
Let's give it up for the St. School Dance